army of yakitori guys. Wow. Yeah. Field of dreams. All right, we're going in. Table. Why didn't we think of that? Her parents were going to come out here this weekend, but then they were like, ah, it's too annoying. You sure? Her mother called and she's like, no, not coming.
So, what, for fireworks?
Yeah. Because I think we did it together last year. I can't remember, actually. I don't know, she disappeared. She blended into the crowd. Oh, there she goes. So all these spots belong to somebody else? Wow, these guys are quick. Completely impossible. There's so many people. I guess we are too late. We're early, but we're late. It's an army of motherfuckers out here.
Army?
There's an army. There's literally, I swear, there's like 1,000 people here. More than 1,000 people here. Maybe like 2,000 people here.